Hi everyone, welcome to MelbJVM for August 24th. We know it's a little off cycle, but tonight we have a very special guest with us for tonight. And this was the only time we could make it, unfortunately, but welcome to MelbJVM. Just before we proceed, special thanks to Aconex. They did all the things tonight, so food, beverages, the venue. Big thanks to Aconex, and of course to Dr. Moses for the labels. Yep, prizes, as usual, we have a JetBrains draw later on in the night. So again, just a reminder, any JetBrains product doesn't have to be IntelliJ. I think I've said it a billion times, but it's all good. So tonight, we've got Peter Laurie. He's come down especially just for us. He's come down from London, so I'll introduce him in a moment. Right, so moving on to the Java news. Oracle has just released a cryptographic roadmap for Java. So there's going to be a bunch of changes to how cryptography works with JDK, so it might be worth checking it out if you're involved with that kind of stuff in your applications. JEP 293 has just been announced, but it's for Java 10, so this will be to standardize the command line options, and it should be coming in Java 10. We don't know when that'll come out yet. And also there's been the JCP award nominations, so a lot of recognition is going on through the Java community process. There's been a couple events coming up and that have already happened. So Java 1 2016, September 18th to 22nd. Is there anyone going this year? Sweet, we got quite a few people. Maybe you can give a talk on it. Virtual Jug 24-hour event, it's coming up soon. And DEF CON happened a little while back also. And I know we did Jigsaw last time, but this came up on the news recently. So there's a YouTube video on Jigsaw Under the Hood. It's worth a watch if you're interested in last time's presentation. Some vlogs and tutorials. So we've got a couple of really good presentations from Brian Goetz. He's talking about parallel stream performance, which is pretty cool. And I can't remember what the second one was, but it was about backwards compatibility, and it's got a pretty cool title. And also some other presentations on the OpenJDK and its anatomy, how JIT works as part of the JDK and the virtual machine, sorry. In releases, Spring Boot 1.4 came out. Is there any Spring Booters in the crowd tonight? Who's hopped onto that? How do you like the ASCII art? Also, recently there's been Data Mills. So it's apparently a competitor to Spring. Has anyone tried that out? It's more reactive style instead of magical annotations, I guess. It's worth a check out if you're interested. Hazelcast 3.7, JHipster, Ratpack, and also YMOC 2 for anyone who's doing network-related testing. Moving on, next meetup, October 5th. It will actually be on JHipster, so that should be announced a couple weeks before, so keep your eyes out for the notification. And we have a hack night coming on September 5th, so that's in a couple weeks. It'll be down at Medibank, just near Southern Cross Station, so if you head across towards 800 Burke Street, that area, you'll be able to see us there. And also, we have a special event happening on September 27th, so no announcements yet, but keep an eye out. And of course, if you'd like to connect with MelbJVM, we have a blog, Facebook, all the media, so like, share, retweet, etc. Just before I start, just a reminder, female toilets are that side and the males are just around the corner, so.
Give Peter a high five on your way through.
Yeah. So if you'd like to welcome our very special guest for tonight, welcome Peter.